Hello, Joliet Catholic Academy families. This video is meant to be a brief tutorial walking you through the course request process through PLUS Portals. All students will be meeting with their school counselors in February to select the courses they would like to take for the upcoming school year. I'm going to walk you through today what your son or daughter will have completed and what we need the parent to do to log in to review and approve the courses your son or daughter would like to take for next year. Let's jump right in. All students will log in through PLUS Portals. On the JCA main page, they will log in with their user ID and password and click Sign In. Students will then come to this page and see their name and click the View Edit button. Here the students will go through a course selection process. Note in the upper right-hand corner, 7 credits have been selected by this sample sophomore student registering for his junior classes. It tells you that a minimum of 6 credits and a maximum of 7 credits must be selected. Each department is broken down by a blue header. We'll start with the English classes. This student needs to select a minimum and maximum of 2 boxes, totaling 1 full credit for a year of English at JCA. This student has selected to take English 3 Upper College Prep. He clicked both boxes. If you would like more information about this particular course or any course on this page, you can click this course details icon at the side and it will tell you the name, the level, the course length, and the credits that will be earned with the completion of a passing grade. Additionally, the prerequisites needed to take each course are listed. The course description is also listed as well. Please be sure that your son or daughter meet the prerequisites, if there are any, for a particular course. Then your son or daughter will continue the same process for their math courses. This student has selected Algebra 2U. Please note both boxes for both semesters of Algebra 2U need to be selected. He will do the same for the science course as he chose Physics U. Social Studies, he chose U.S. History U. Please note that if your son or daughter only checks 1 box and not the 2 needed, it will be in red font at the top, and you will know that a minimum of 2 boxes were not checked. Simply please be sure to double check that both boxes for the particular course are selected. This student has selected to continue on by taking Spanish 3 Honors his junior year, and all students will check both boxes under the theology header, as all JCA students take the same theology course freshman year, and then the same courses for sophomore year, and the same courses for junior year and senior year. Different topics, but both boxes need to be selected for each year. Juniors and seniors have the opportunity to sign up for electives, and so again I encourage you to use the details, course details box to the right for information about the topics covered and the credits that can be earned in these elective courses. This student has chosen that his electives will fall under the Social Studies Electives tab. He chose to take a semester of sociology and a semester of current issues. When he's all done, at the bottom of the page, he shows 7 credits selected, which is the maximum number of credits. The student will click Save and Revisit Later, and his portion of signing up for his course requests is complete. Now it's the parent's turn. Back on the JCA homepage, you will click on the PLUS Portals tab, which will take you to the login page. Here you must log in with the parent's email and the parent password and click Sign In. Once you've done this, it will take you to the main parent page. If you have more than 1 JCA student, they will be listed here, or your 1 JCA student will pop up first. You will notice that the student whose courses are ready to be approved will show In Progress. You, the parent, then click on this button, View Edit, to review and approve the courses your son or daughter has signed up for. You'll see a very similar screen to what your students saw. When you log in, you will see that your son or daughter wishes to take 7 credits selected, if that's the number they signed up for. You may review all the courses the same way that your son or daughter did. The Course Information tab is available to you as well once logged in as a parent. After you review these courses and prerequisites with your son or daughter, you'll scroll all the way to the bottom of the page where it will once again verify for you that 7 credits have been selected. At this time, you will submit and approve the courses that your son or daughter would like to take next year. Once you hit the submit button for these courses, it will take you back to your main page. You will see at this time that the status says submitted and the date you submitted will populate. At this point, you are done with the approval process for the course selection for that student. The Plus Portals component of this is complete. The next step for the parents is a quick one. Students will be bringing home a course request card for you to physically sign. We need you to physically sign the course request card in order for us to process the submission of your student's course request. If you have any questions at any time, please feel free to reach out to your son or daughter's school counselor. This information can be found under the Students tab, under the Counseling Department, and their counselor is listed here below, last name alphabetically. If you have any questions at any time, you can always reach out to me, and I'll be happy to help answer any questions you have. We look forward to continuing to partnering with you so that your son or daughter is placed appropriately and set up for the most successful experience at Joliet Catholic Academy. Thanks. Have a great day.